Okay, this is the big day, the one we've been waiting for. Time to harvest the bananas. The tree's getting pretty old here, you can see. It only has a couple of leaves left, and these are fading fast. So once the banana plant has the bunch and it's ripe, it dies off. So here's the bunch you've all been watching grow. And here's the flower down here. I'm going to cut this off and see if I can cook this too. So I have my banana knife here. And just slice this off. Here is the banana bud. It hasn't produced any more flowers. It just keeps shedding leaves or petals. Here's a stalk. There's a banana plant across the way here that's fallen over. We've had such a drought that these guys are like 90% water, and if they don't get enough water, they just collapse. So I've been trying to give these guys a little extra water. So anyway, without further ado, I'll try and cut this without having it fall all over the place. This is just a regular knife. Sap is pouring out all over it. Here it is, a bunch of bananas. They're still green, turning sort of yellow, but really for these guys, what we need to do is, what I need to do, is put them in a plastic bag with an apple or a pear or some other fruit, and that releases enzymes that that will get them to ripen. So this is a nice bunch of bananas, and I have 4 more bunches on the way. I'll be eating bananas for quite a while. So here's the bunch of bananas. They're pretty big, actually. And you can see here, it's dripping sap. That sap is like a sugary latex, and it stains everything. It's, I don't know, it's probably got some iron oxide of some sort in it. It's stains like blood. So that's why I'm wearing clothes that have been previously stained by bananas before. So I'm going to let these sit out here for a while until the sap quits dripping. Probably put them all into a garbage bag and then start cutting off individual bananas and putting them in a smaller bag with an apple. And in a couple days I'll have bananas to eat.